The propeller dates back to 1493, when Leonardo da Vinci sketched out the concept for a helical screw that could propel a machine vertically into the sky. The propeller is still occasionally referred to as an air screw, a term that accurately reflects its basic design and function. The key to making one? Plenty of sanding. Wood propellers start out as a laminated block of maple wood. Lamination is a process where several layers are glued together. The block has between 36 and 48 layers, just 1.5 millimeters thick. Depending on the model, workers select a master pattern that is between 1 and 2 meters long. They lay this pattern over the maple block and mark a 1-inch center hole. They drill the hole and lay in a centering pin to hold the pattern in place. A worker then traces the pattern on the top of the block. He then cuts the outline with a bandsaw. This is the propeller's profile. Next, he traces a pattern on the side of the block. This is the propeller's pitch. Pitch is the amount of twist in a propeller's blades, which dictates the amount of propeller thrust. Using a pattern guide, he marks where the pitch blends into the center hub, then removes the bulk of the pitch with a bandsaw. Now he clamps it onto a computer-guided milling machine that carves the pitch to very precise dimensions. The machine's carbide-tipped cutters remove 1/100th of a centimeter per pass. Precision milling just one end of the propeller can take up to 60 passes. Next, he shapes the airfoil with a bandsaw. The airfoil is the side of the propeller that is shaped like an airplane wing and produces forward thrust. The pitch side and the airfoil side. Workers use a tool called a spoke shave to smooth the propeller further. Then they verify the airfoil's thickness and curve with a hand gauge. Next, they spray on a contrasting color that will help them when they begin smoothing the propeller. They smooth out any remaining carving marks using a belt sander. Then they check the propeller for balance. Using a pneumatic sanding drum, they perform an overall sanding and punch in propeller specifications: diameter, pitch, flight direction symbols, and manufacturer ID. Workers hand inspect the propeller, then perform a final sanding and balance. They spray on a coat of clear enamel to seal the wood. And apply a safety color to the propeller tips to make it visible while it's spinning. 2 final protective coats of clear enamel, 24 hours of drying time, and these propellers are ready for takeoff.
grow up, no I don't take shit, I got no